Introducing ClariFix, a breakthrough technology for chronic rhinitis. Chronic rhinitis is characterized by inflammation of nasal mucosa causing excessive mucus secretion, congestion, nasal itching, and sneezing. The nasal nerves regulate functions of the nose such as mucus secretion. It has been shown that interrupting the pathways of these nerves results in the reduction of nasal symptoms, including rhinorrhea and congestion. Over 10 million people in the United States alone suffer from chronic runny nose and congestion symptoms, a condition called chronic rhinitis. Oral and intranasal steroids and antihistamines are typically the mainstays of medical treatments, but they require daily use and can carry side effects. About 2.5 million patients do not respond to these medications or get satisfactory relief. ClariFix is an innovative cryotherapy device designed for use by ear, nose, and throat doctors for patients who suffer from chronic rhinitis. The cryotherapy procedure with ClariFix is safe and office-based, with minimal pain and discomfort. It only requires local or topical anesthetics and could provide long-lasting symptom relief. Physicians use the ClariFix device to deliver freezing temperatures to the back of the nose after proper anesthesia. The cooling time takes just a few minutes. A clinical study demonstrated that the ClariFix device was safe and delivered significant relief of chronic rhinitis symptoms with minimal downtime and recovery. ClariFix, a breakthrough technology for people with chronic rhinitis. Please ask your doctor to learn more about ClariFix.